In this tutorial, I'll show you how to save emails from Outlook to OneDrive for easy backup and access. First, open Outlook and find the email you want to save. Open the email, click File, then select Save As. Choose Outlook Message Format (MSG). Select a location such as your desktop or downloads folder. Give the file a name and click Save. Next, open your OneDrive folder on your computer. Drag and drop the saved MSG file into the OneDrive folder. It will automatically sync to your OneDrive account. You can also upload the file through the OneDrive website. Sign in to OneDrive, open the folder where you want to save the email, click Upload, choose Files, select the saved MSG file and click Open. The email will be uploaded to your OneDrive. Once the upload is complete, your email is safely stored in OneDrive and can be accessed from any device signed in to your Microsoft account. That's how to save emails from Outlook to OneDrive. Thanks for watching.